Hello everybody. Today discuss about the MSET 2020 first year Mathematics 1A tips and tricks how to get maximum marks in MSET 2020 in Mathematics 2A. Today discuss tips and tricks. Here Mathematics 1A having total 10 chapters. In these 10 chapters, 5 chapter belongs to algebra, remaining 5 chapter belongs to trigonometry. In these 5 chapters, first chapter is functions. In this function, compulsory one question coming to the MSET point of view, that is domain and range or inverse function or composite function. This type of problems coming to the MSET point of view. Second chapter is mathematical induction. In this mathematical induction, at least one question coming to the MSET point of view, that is a sequence is given. That sequence find the nth term or sum of the sequence equal to how much options are given, which option is correct. That type of problems coming to the MSET point of view. Next chapter is matrices. In this matrices at least 3 questions coming to the MSET point of view. Compulsory. This is long chapter. In this chapter, matrices, determinant, rank of matrix, linear equation of the matrices by using Cramer rule, matrix inversion method and Gauss-Jordan method. After that, trace of matrix, skew symmetric and symmetric matrix, some definition of the order and degree by using this type of problems coming to the MSET point of view by the matrices. After that, addition of vector. In this addition of vector and product of vector belongs to vector algebra. Addition of vector, find the vector equation passing through the 2 points, 2 vectors. Find the equation of the vector passing through the vector A parallel to the vector B. Find the vector equation passing through the 3 vectors. In this type problems coming to the MSET point of view, and sum of the vectors and unit vector of the given vector. This type of problems also be coming to the MSET point of view. Next chapter is product of vector. In this product of vector, 2 ways is there. One is dot product, another one is cross product. Dot product, cross product formulas are very important in MSET point of view. After that, vector triple product, scalar triple product, nothing but A cross B cross C, box of ABC, box of ABC nothing but scalar triple product, A cross B cross C nothing but vector triple product. In this type of problems coming to the MSET point of view, one more method is there, that is shortest distance or skew lines. This is also be one type of very important problem in MSET point of view. This 5 chapter belongs to algebra. After that, goes to next top part is trigonometry. First chapter is trigonometry up to ratios, trigonometry ratios up to transformations. In this trigonometry ratios, basics concepts, compound angles, periodic problems. Periodic is very important. What is the period of sin x? That type of problem. And compound angles and multiple and submultiple angles model and transformation model, sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d, cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d. In this type of problems coming to the MSET point of view. In trigonometry ratios and up to transformation. After that, trigonometry equations. In this trigonometry equation, at least one question coming to the MSET point of view, that is general solution of the sin theta equal to k, cos theta equal to k, tan theta equal to k or sin theta equal to 0. First you learn general solutions of each ratio, trigonometry ratio, you get maximum marks in MSET point of view. Already explained my YouTube channel, trigonometry equations concept and formulas and tips and tricks are explained. Watch that video, you get maximum marks scoring in MCET point of view, useful videos. After that, inverse trigonometry function. Inverse trigonometry function also be coming to at least one question, that is sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to some value, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to some value. That type of problems coming to the MCET point of view. Next one is hyperbolic function. This is very simple, short chapter. In this chapter, at least one question coming to the IP and MCET point of view. That is sin h inverse x, inverse hyperbolic function converted to logarithmic form. That type of problems are very, very important in MCET point of view. First of all, read and learn sin h inverse, cos h inverse, tan h inverse, cot h inverse x, secant h inverse x, cosecant h inverse x in the form of logarithmic. After that, properties of triangle. This is a very long chapter. In the chapter, at least two questions coming to the MCET point of view. One is theory problem by using heights and distance. In this heights and distance, using sine rule or cosine rule or projection rule, that type of problems. One more is in circle, x circles, r equal to delta by s, r1 equal to delta by s minus a. This type of problems coming to the MCET point of view. These 10 chapters, at least each chapter coming to the one question in MCET point of view. In this mathematics 1A, 20 questions coming to the MCET point of view. Some chapters also be there, that is function, relations, sets, mathematical reasoning. This type of problems also, this type of chapter also be coming to the MCET point of view. Sometimes coming at least one question each chapter. This is the tips and tricks of the mathematics 1A, how to get maximum marks in MCET point of view. Okay, thank you.